Find an equation of the normal line to the parabola y equals x squared minus 9x plus 9 that is parallel to the line of x minus 5y equals 4. So the first thing we want to do is we want to be able to find the derivative of the function y equals x squared minus 9x plus 9. So if we want to find the derivative, it's going to be y prime. So using the power rule, this is going to be 2 times 2x to the 2 minus 1, which is x, minus 9, and then plus 0. So therefore, this is going to be the derivative. Okay, so now let's take a look at this line that it is parallel to. So we want to find out what is the slope of that line. So we have x minus 5y, which is equal to 4. So we're going to solve for y. So we have negative 5y is equal to negative x plus 4. And then if we divide everything by 5, or negative 5, we're going to get positive 1/5 x minus 4/5. Okay, so what does that tell us? Well, that tells us the following. It says the desired normal line must have a slope of 1/5, and hence its tangent line to the parabola must have a slope of negative 5, which is the negative reciprocal of 1/5. So if the tangent line to the parabola has a slope of negative 5, and so what that means is that the slope y prime is going to equal negative 5, and then we're going to plug it into step number 2 equation. So we have 2x minus 9, which is equal to y prime, and we're going to replace y prime to be negative 5, and we're going to solve for x. So 2x minus 9 is equal to negative 5. We're going to add 9 to both sides, and 9 minus 5 is going to give us 4, and divide both sides by 2, and therefore x is going to equal 2. Okay, so we know what the slope is. We know the value of x. Now we need to look at the original equation to solve for y. So when x is equal to 2, we're going to use y, which is equal to x squared minus 9x plus 9, and then we're going to solve for y. So this is 2 squared minus 9 times 2 plus 9. So that's going to give us 4 minus 18 plus 9. And so going from left to right, we have negative 14 plus 9. And negative 14 plus 9 is equal to negative 5. So we know the value of y is negative 5, and we know the value of x is equal to 2. Now, again, we want to be able to find the equation of the normal line. Okay, so the normal line has a slope of 1/5. So, in order to find that line, we know the slope is equal to 1/5 at the point where x is 2 and y is negative 5. So now let's use our point slope form. So we have y minus y1, which is equal to m times x minus x1. So we have y minus negative 5, which is equal to 1/5 times x minus 2. So we have y plus 5, which is equal to 1/5 x. 1/5 times minus 2 is minus 2/5. And so now we're going to get y, which is equal to 1/5 x minus 2/5, and that's minus 5 over 1. Okay, so if we have negative 2/5 minus 5 over 1, the LCD is going to be 5. So 5 times 1 is going to give us 5, so therefore 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5, so 5 times 5 is 25, which gives us negative 27 over 5. And so therefore, our equation is the following. Y which is equal to 1/5 x minus 27/5.